Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will learn about indices. So there are some formulas you have to remember. First is a to the power m into a to the power n. Here a is base and m and n, these are called the power. So we can write it like this: a to the power m plus n. When a to the power m by a to the power n, it will be a to the power m minus n. Third is when a to the power m whole to the power n, then this power will be multiplied, a to the power mn. Fourth is a to the power 0 is always 1. A to the power 0 means base with no power. It will always 1. The fifth one is when a to the power x equal to a to the power y, then x equal to y. That means when the base is same, whatever the power it is, it will be same. 6 is when a to the power x equal to b to the power x, then a equal to b. That means when the power is same, the base will be same. And this is a to the power minus n equal to 1 by a to the power n. Let us take some examples. So this is an example. Here you can see that we have to find this power. Okay. Now we can see that this base and this base is same. So put together these two. So put this question mark as x. So x plus 5.2, and this will be divided by 3.7. Okay. So we know when a to the power m by a to the power n, it will be a to the power m minus n. So base is same. So power will be what? It will be 4.5 x plus 5.2 minus 3.7. We get 1.5. Now you can see that we have to find the power. Okay? The base must be same. So by common sense, you can see that 4 square, we don't know 4.5 square, we know 4 square. So 4 square equal to 16. It is nearer to 20.5. So we can conclude its square to the power this, and we know 4 cube is equal to 64, which is nearer to this number. So 4.5 cube may be this number. So 4.5 cube to the power 1.8. So now from this formula, a to the power m to the whole to the power n equal to a to the power mn. So likewise multiply this power, you will get 2.6, and multiply this number, you will get 5.4. So here you can see the base is same almost, and when a to the power m into a to the power n, so we can write here 4.5, 2.6 plus 5.4. We get here 8.0. Okay. You can see the base is same, so power will be same. So x plus 1.5 equal to 8.0, then x equal to 8 minus 1.5, we will get 6.5. Okay. So here is another example. You can see we have to find the power of 17 here. So from left hand side we can get 17 to the power something. So let's start. First 33575 to the power 1/3. I have already made a video about how to find the cube root of any number. It is in the description box. Please check it out. Last 3 digit, it is 5 here, so we get 5 here, and 3, it is nearer to 1. 15 into 85, we know that in the left hand side we can get 17 something power, so 17 is it divisible by 85. We get 17 into 5, it is 85 whole to the power 4. Somehow 17 into something will be 51. Yes, it is 17 into 3, it is 51 whole to the power 4 by 45 to the power 4 and 5 into 3. 45 will be 5 into 9 whole to the power 4 into 5 into 3 to the power minus 3. Okay, equal to 17 watt. Okay, you can see here 17, 5 and 3. This is the prime number. So divided this bigger number into shorter, like 5 into 3 into here we can say 14 to 7, 5 to the power 4 into 14 into 17 to the power 4 into 3 to the power 4 divided by, it is 5 to the power 4, 9 means 3 square. So 5 to the power 4 into 3 square into 4 means 3 into 8 into 5 into 3 to the power minus 3 equal to 17. To simplify this, we will get 17 to the power 4 and 4 means 8 into 5, 1, 4 means 5 into 3, the power is 1 and 4 means 5. Likewise 5, here is 4 power and 1 means 5, and 3, 8 and minus 3, it is 5. So here left hand side 17 to the power 8 and here 17 watt. So the power will be same, base is same here 17, so the power will be same. So this question mark will be 8.